we're in record prices. We're short cattle supplies. We've got record prices on all classes of cattle, beef. Consumer demand is absolutely fantastic. We don't see any big cracks in that coming. With the interest rate cuts, I think consumers are going to get a little bit of a break. The cautions in the report are a couple things. Continuing to maintain vigilance on cost. The extra interest cost we've had to bear the last 2 years is taking a toll on a lot of operations. We're finding places in the operation that we've got to cut other things to make those interest payments, so we got to be mindful of that. From a market risk standpoint, I think there's a couple of big things. If you look at the feeder cattle and calf market, part of the escalation we've seen has been driven by the border closure with Mexico because of New World screwworm. The longer that goes, the more pressure we see on Southern Plains feed yards and packing capacity, to the point where we look at the next several months, we're gonna be down more than 10%, probably closer to 20% in a lot of those feed yards in terms of inventory. So we're seeing, the escalation of fixed costs per head because we don't have as many head to go through the system. So being conscious of that, we're seeing pressure there. Those guys are trying to find cattle. They're looking north to get those, driving prices higher. The flip side is, as prices go up because of that, when and if the border reopens, the opposite's going to happen. So keeping that focus there, just being alert of when that comes. Probably a good reason to continue to focus on risk management to some degree. Yeah, we're going up, and we're probably going to continue to go up. We're not seeing any real big signs of herd expansion on the cow-calf side. So as the cycle goes, once we start the vigilant, for real herd expansion, the clock starts ticking. And we've got 24 to 36 months kind of before that market starts to turn over. It'll turn over in the beef market and work its way back to the cow-calf producer. There's a lot of producer pressure for age of producer, other land uses, generational turnover, some of those kind of things that are moving some ranches out of cow-calf production. And those cows get sold and it looks like expansion, but it's other operations. It's not the industry as a whole. So we're probably gonna make beef production smaller the next 2 or 3 years and continue to escalate price.